And before we wrap, we like to finish with something we refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week, something that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun.
Yeah, so mine is for PC users. If you're a Mac user, I'm sure, Kyle, you have a solution for this. But I was getting tired of the snipping tool on PC. And I think they even have a newer version. I just didn't like it so much. So I was looking for a new tool that I can take screenshots of my computer and easily copy and paste it. And so the tool I found after a little bit of searching is called ScreenREC, ScreenREC. And it's pretty neat. You can draw out the area that you want to take a picture of. You can do photo or video. I haven't done any video for it yet. You probably have to pay or something if it's over a certain length. But you can do photo or video. And then you can do quick annotations, with arrows or chat bubbles or whatever. And then you can easily copy it to a link or the clipboard. And so I love copying things to the clipboard and pasting it in quickly. Pretty neat. So far, I really like it.
Cool. The one I got for you guys, this is a feature that has existed on Facebook for a while that did not exist on Instagram, and it's called Favorites. So Instagram, for a while, you had your close friends. You could do the inner green circle, but there's a new thing called Favorites. So when you go into the Instagram app up in the top left, it defaults to people that you are following, but you can also, you'll now see there's an option for favorites on there. And so what's cool is if maybe there's particular clients that you're trying to build relationships with, maybe you're trying to recruit agents to your team, you can favorite them. Maybe there's certain, influencers, vendors, channel partners, stuff like that you're trying to build relationships with. You can now save all of those people as favorites. And now you can see them and only them in your feed and get rid of all the nonsense, which can be really good because if you're trying to build relationships with people, a really good way to do that is to engage with them on social media. So I encourage you to leverage this favorites feature both on Facebook and now on Instagram as well.
So I see the 3 dots you add to favorites.
Yep. And then now when you're on your main Instagram feed, just hit the word Instagram and now you'll see following and favorites on there.
Hey!
And so now it just lets you see only the select few that you really want to see because a lot of us, when we got on Instagram, we literally followed everybody and their mom and their dad and their brother and their sister. And there's like 5 million people you follow, but you don't really want to see all of them. Now you could maybe just pick the 10 or 20 that you really want to follow and see their stuff all the time.
Do you know if there's a limit to how many people?
Facebook is 40. I'm going to guess Instagram's probably around the same.
Cool.
But Facebook, it's a max of 40 on there.
Cool.
All right, guys. Well, with that said, we're going to wrap the show up again. My name is Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego.
I'm Bryan Coaching.
Thanks for tuning into the show. We'll see you next week.
Later, guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.